Something that can be really frustrating as a small landlord is trying to find tools or software that you can actually use that isn't gonna break the bank, even if you have 1, 2, 3 units. There's gotta be a solution that offers all the features as the big guys without the price and without the minimums. Well, there is, and it's called MagicDoor. So if you're a small landlord or property manager, less than 20 units, less than 10 units, less than 5 units, however many units you have, you can use MagicDoor. We have no minimums, so you can truly just pay for the units that you have. We also have no onboarding fees, no hidden cost, and it's only $2.50 per unit per month. But okay, hold on, before you start thinking about everything, what does MagicDoor even do? Well, MagicDoor is a truly all-in-one property management software. We're really trying to change the game and push the property management industry into the future by offering AI solutions. And by AI, I mean a real true virtual assistant that can work within your workflows, respond to tenants about basic questions, offer solutions for maintenance requests, convert those to work orders and assign them to your vendors, rate your rental applications, write your listings for you. I mean, the list goes on. We have every feature you could need as a landlord, plus all these AI features. So yes, we also have accounting, we have reporting, we can collect your rent, we offer rent collection with reminders and late fees, everything that you need as a landlord. So why should you switch to using MagicDoor? Well, when you're using paper and pen or Excel, spreadsheets, it can be really difficult to keep everything organized, and it can start to get stressful because what if you lose something, or where's this document, or double checking everything yourself, when there are tools out there that are pretty affordable, like MagicDoor, that can make everything organized. And not to mention, a huge factor for you is going to be online rent collection. Using a software like MagicDoor makes it extremely secure and makes you look more professional because a tenant can log into their portal, enter their information, they can set up automatic ACH payments. So not only does it make you look better, but it also helps the tenant feel more secure in their payments, and it makes scalability really easy. Now, another option that a small landlord might take is using what's known as a tech stack. So you have 12 different apps you're using, one for maintenance requests, one for rent collection, one for tenant applications, one for background checks, the list goes on. And you're gonna be paying for each and every one of those. It starts to add up. And so when you use a software like MagicDoor, it's all in one for the price we talked about at the beginning. You're not paying any extra for the maintenance request system or for the tenant communication system. And with MagicDoor, it truly is all in one. That's not just a buzzword that we use. So we don't use any partners, we do everything in-house. Our maintenance request system, our leasing system, our communication system is all in one. So let's quickly run through some of the features that MagicDoor has to offer. First is communications. MagicDoor uses AI throughout the entire system, including the communication hub. While you can log into MagicDoor and communicate through the hub, the messages will be sent as a direct text message or email to the tenant. So they don't have to log into a tenant portal to be able to communicate with you or submit maintenance requests. Everything can be done directly through text message. The AI MagicDoor has can automatically respond to tenants on a timely manner. It can send out automatic reminders for rent, or if there's gonna be a late fee charged to them, or even answer basic questions like when their lease ends, or if it's gonna turn into a month-to-month lease, when the lease ends. And the AI will even help with maintenance requests. So another feature we have is AI runbooks. When a tenant submits a maintenance request, an AI will automatically respond using a runbook. Basically, it'll make initial contact with the tenant, ask basic questions about this maintenance request, and then offer solutions. If you aren't able to figure out the solution via text message with this AI, it'll then accelerate it to a work order. Now you can have your vendors put in the system, so you can have your HVAC guy, your plumbing guy, all of your vendors, and it'll automatically convert these work orders, assign them to the vendor that you have assigned to that runbook, and solve that maintenance request without you really having to be involved. Now, you can get involved if you want to get involved. You can hop in anytime. You can even stop the runbook, stop the AI, and join in yourself in that communication, or you can let it go through the runbook. We have runbooks that MagicDoor has made, or you can make custom runbooks, which is very simple to do. Another feature we have is the rental application and leasing process. So when a tenant submits a rental application, the AI is going to give it a score and a description. This is going to be based on the credit check, the background check, the criminal history, the rental history, and it will give you a score that'll help you make a really quick decision. And then you can easily, with one button, convert it into a lease or deny them. You also have draft rental applications, so if you receive applications that don't get finished, you can easily reach out to them via text or email and try to help them through the application process to get your unit filled. The actual lease can be signed within the software, and you can view all the information about your leases, your tenants, your units, your properties very easily within MagicDoor. It is very user-friendly and intuitive. With MagicDoor, you can learn the system in just a few hours instead of a few days or a few months. And then we have our listings feature. MagicDoor's AI can automatically write your listings for you, adapt the information for each different listing site, and publish it to your custom website that is also included with MagicDoor. There, your tenant can sign into their portal, they can submit a rental application, they can view all of your listings, and all of that is just done with AI. So as you can see, the AI is really gonna save you time, and considering everything that's included, MagicDoor is very affordable. It's a great upgrade if you're not using any software, but it's also a great upgrade if you're using a tech stack or any other software. And it's perfect for small landlords because we have no minimums. So if you're ready to take the next step to use MagicDoor for all of your property management and landlord activities, you can go to magicdoor.com to get a free demo. We'll chat with you, answer any questions you have, show you the software, and hopefully we can make your job easier. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.